Hey, sorry. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please go subscribe my channel, like my videos, okay? So yes, what is the topic? The topic is giveaway. Okay, so this is my first giveaway. So what is this giveaway? What am I giving away? Okay, what am I giving away is a facial kit, a skincare kit. Okay, so I'm gonna give the lucky subscribers, my lucky subscribers, a facial kit. Okay, so how's this giveaway gonna happen? So this giveaway is gonna happen like I'm gonna list out all my subscribers and write their name in some chits, and then I'm gonna shuffle the chits and pick 3 chits, 3 lucky winners, and I'm gonna give this kit to them. Okay, so how am I gonna contact them? Instagram. Okay, so I'm gonna contact them through my Instagram. I'm gonna give my Instagram handle below, so anybody can contact me. It's not only them who is gonna win the thing. It's not only them. Anybody can contact me. You can talk to me also. Okay, so they're gonna contact me from my Instagram. Okay, and there's an other lucky subscriber, and I'm gonna pick them from my comment section. Okay, there will be totally 4. Okay, 4 lucky winners. So the another one is gonna get picked from my comment section. So from this video, whatever video I'm talking, you can go and comment on this video. So I'm gonna pick from this comment section. Okay, so and then I'm gonna give them also a facial kit. Okay, so this is all about the giveaway, and love you all. Tata, bye bye, see you, bye bye.